Hi everyone, as you can see, the dark circles under my eyes, I am exhausted. I came back last night from, I don't remember, I think it was a birthday party or something. So I decided to start with a nice breakfast. I am making shakshuka. My dad has been making it lately, the last few times I was over at their house. And I loved it, so I thought I would make one myself. This is me cutting the little peppers. That's gonna take a while. I put it in speed mode for you. That wasn't, I think it's like 10 times faster than I actually am cutting it. So yeah, that took a while. Now I decided to make my morning coffee. I'm making an espresso, which I only do on days off because it takes a while to boil it on the stove versus using my regular filter coffee machine. Coffee was not great. Back to the shakshuka. I'm cutting the tomatoes. Just a little bit, like quarter onion. Fry it all on the pan. I start with the onions and the peppers so they soften first. Then later I will add a tomato. You need lots of cumin, main ingredient. Then a little bit of garlic powder, teensy bit of chili flakes, red pepper flakes, and parsley, just for decor. Don't forget black pepper. Everything is to taste, and I'm using Himalayan salt. Simmering on the pan. Disclaimer, it was a fail.
J'ai hâte de vous mater d'ici. Les changements d'un jour à l'autre. Ah, excuse-moi, Non.
Later on, I went to a thrift store with my friend who volunteers actually at this place, which is called Chenot. It's a thrift store that supports women in need. It sells discounted furniture, clothing, and as a customer, you can just shop there. You can find interesting things, as you can see. They have really nice knickknacks, glassware. I got martini glasses just like this one, but they had a black design instead of the white. Love them so much. Already using them, even for just like drinking juice. I love those interesting designs that look kind of vintage.
C'est pas sanitaire.
rien. C'est ta faute. Tu fais ça pire là. Vas-y, continue. Continue.
C'est le numéro de cirque. Qu'est-ce que tu fais?
Porte un pony. Your pony. Ah, monsieur. On va essayer de dérouler ça. To Titiana's house, we got some McDonald's and we're playing with the dog. As you can see, he is a silly little goose. When you pretend throw, he really thinks you throw something, so he's like, oh, let me go check. I can watch him play like this forever. It was so funny. But obviously, if it's too much for you and you're like, I can't watch this anymore, feel free to skip ahead. I'm just thinking about it, girl. Yeah, I did it. I decided to cut my bangs. Well, I'm usually pretty spontaneous when it comes to doing something with my hair. I do think it through in advance. Ideas are coming in my head, but then when it comes to going ahead and doing it, it's spontaneous. I call myself a semi-professional hairdresser. I did some schooling, not enough to be trusted by someone else, but I did do my hair for like over 10 years now, so I trust what I'm doing overall. But it's all about experimenting. I always dye my hair by myself, and I just occasionally get it cut by someone else, sometimes even a professional. I'm gonna do this before showering. Glycolic acid to clear my scalp, and I think I'm gonna hit it with some rosemary oil for a good this one's just from Amazon. Sorry you have to like stare at my gross sink and everything, gross mirror and everything. Yeah, this is a rosemary oil, pure. I never dilute it. I know they say you have to. I really can't tell if one side is shorter. Like, is this side shorter than this one? But I feel like when it dries, it's gonna even out. But if anything, I'll fix it when it's dry rather than playing with it right now. Because as soon as I cut it, like, bloop, up. And I'm like, it could be easily just because this side is heavier. And you know, one eyebrow, I could base it off my eyebrows, but then what if it's not a good base? What if it's, what if my eyebrows are just not even? Which is very likely. So I'll show you guys when it's dry. I'm gonna go do this and then shower. See ya. I can tell you already, I did not show you in this vlog how the hair turned out, but in the next one maybe. Now that I have my mask, my hair mask in with the glycolic acid and rosemary oil, I'm gonna do a face mask because I'm like, why not? We're all dirty anyways. So I'm gonna use this, this Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay Mask. Very popular, pore cleansing, blah, blah, blah. Had it for years, the little bangs. I even got a second one, like a small one. This one was expired in 2019, but it still does the job. And I have very little left, and I have a second one that I bought that's waiting for this one to be done, so I can get rid of the big one. I'm using, what's it called? Apple cider vinegar, just any, like the cheapest one I found in the store, because the apple cider vinegar helps like with the oil control, is what they say. And I'm putting in my little espresso cup. Look how cute this one is. It's adorable. It's from, I think it's Chapters or Indigo, whatever it's called now. I don't know if they only have them in the in Canada, or if they have something similar in the United States. I don't know. I cannot say. Whatever thingy is called to apply it. Ooh, look at that. Wow. I like to go against the grain in my eyebrows so that it gets in there. I also use it on my roots, to be honest, on my scalp. It's kind of the same effect as the glycolic acid, I would say, because like it's degreasing for the face, so I can be degreasing my scalp. But you get the gist. You get it literally in your eyeballs, but I go pretty close. Because it's as much as like clay and like pore whatever, it's also healing. So I'm pretty generous where I apply it. I'm not too scared. Like as much as it's drying out, I even put it in my ears, like in here. You know what? Do it right now. I'm gonna do it after I finish my face. I think I'm gonna do it off camera, but I think I'm gonna apply it to my chest as well. So I'll show you guys. I'll talk to you later.